That was not only a part of our own earnings Pataka segment, but was also one of the stocks recommended by Mr. Tulsian as a multi-bagger. Deccan Cements is the stock I'm talking about. It's risen 70% this year alone, and the stock has given you returns of more than 115% since March of 2015. So that's the kind of up move that we've seen in Deccan Cements. RVA Narasimha Rao, the CFO of the company, joins us now to chat about the way forward for the company. Mr. Rao, good morning and thanks for joining us. The first half of the year has been very good for the company with an income of 310 crores and profits of about 30 crores. What are the expectations for the second half?
See, we definitely hope for the better, but as you know, we can't predict the future with such a certainty. It all depends on the growth drivers, and we have a lot of expectations on the infrastructure projects coming up, including the capital city of Andhra Pradesh, and the demand picking up in other parts of our markets. Like we sell almost in 10 states. The demand is likely to pick up, but we have to wait and see. And certainly, we can't give any prediction as to the second half. First half is very much better, and you know, cement is a cyclical industry. We can't predict the future with any certainty. Definitely, we are hoping for a better performance.
Now, I take your point that you can't be certain about the future, but are you already seeing any price improvements? You said 10 states you sell. I would assume Telangana and Andhra state are prominent among them. Have you noticed any improvement in prices or demand?
Yeah. Prices, demand is slightly picking up, but for the recent disturbances, see the heavy rains in Tamil Nadu and parts of south coastal Andhra, there are some disturbances, and there is absolutely no offtake for the past 1 week, 10 days, and any loss in few periods in a quarter also will have an impact.
Okay.
We would like to wait and see how this loss will be recouped.
No, but before the rains, did you notice any improvement in prices after the big rains, after the September season, during the start of the festival season? Was there an uptick in prices?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, there is a dip in the prices, and then again there is a correction. There is an improvement in prices, and a slight improvement is noticed in the demand also.
Okay, so can you just give us a sense of how much your growth could be on the top line in the next 1 year? Are we looking at, say, a 5%, 10%, 15% growth, or do you think that it will be hard to do a double-digit growth because things have not picked up as yet?
No, I think we have recorded a decent growth in the first half of this current financial year. I think if the same trend is continued, we will be very happy.
Okay.
Okay.
And any addition to further capacity utilization is always welcome. With the prices remaining firm, and if the capacity utilization also picks up, definitely it would be a wonderful thing for the company.
So what is the exact volumes that you sold in the first half of the year, and how much do you think you can sell in the second half?
First half is about 6.7 lakh tons.
Okay.
It compares favorably with 10.78. Excuse me?
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
10.78 tons was the last full year, 14-15. 10.78 lakh tons is the last full year, 14-15, and it is 6.74 lakh tons in the first half.
Okay. What was
it was about 48% for the 14-15.
Why was it so bad in FY15, and why was first half so good?
Actually, FY 13-14 and 14-15 both remained almost the same time, around 48%.
Okay.
And as you know, 13-14, we have taken some beating because of the political turmoil that was there pre this bifurcation.
Okay.
And post bifurcation, yes, there is some stability, and again there are some disturbances, and we were able to maintain at the 48% same capacity utilization. If you have looked at our financials, the earlier years, 11-12 was about 60-62% capacity, and then 13-14 about 65% capacity.
Okay.
And there was a dip because of the troubles, and the availability of sand also is a issue in many parts of our addressable markets.
Okay.
Actually, if you look at the quarterly results, there were losses incurred in a few quarters.
So,
Two quarters losses incurred. That is the reason why there is a.
just one final question from my end. In
Tell me,
FY15, you clocked in revenues of around 440 crores, so which was about a 12.5% growth compared to FY14. You think you can manage this 12-13% growth for the next couple of years, or will it be better?
No, having reached a reasonable level of, say, 60% capacity utilization, I don't think I can expect another 12%, 15% growth. It all remains to be seen.
Okay. Well, just a few things.
I'm at now 60% capacity utilization.
Yeah, go ahead, sir.
Tell me, madam. See, even a further 5%, 10% capacity utilization will translate into a very good growth in terms of top line. See, it was about 410 crores gross and 310 crores net turnover for the first half. And if you just translate it into full year, then it will touch maybe 750 crores, 800 crores top line, and roughly around 600 crores net sales.
Okay.
But we have to wait and see how the quarter behaves.
Okay, I just wanted a few data points. How much debt do you have? Do you own any land, any extra land bank?
No, we don't have any extra land bank. We have adequate mining resource and adequate land for the factory operations.
Okay.
We don't have much extra land bank.
Fair enough. And what's your debt status?
Yeah. Madam?
Debt. How much loan do you have? What is your debt?
Debt including working capital, etc. It will be about 125 crores.
Do you have any expansion plans?
No, as of now, we don't have any expansion plans. See, we have expanded this capacity in the year 2009.
Okay.
And we are operating at 60% capacity utilization as of now, which is like a healthy position compared to last 2 years. We are yet to chalk out any expansion plans. I can't comment on that.
All right, we'll leave it at that. Thank you very much for joining us with all those details. Okay, so that's the word coming in from Deccan Cement. Did a very good first half, and well, not very sure about how demand will grow, but expect that it can be as good as the first half.
And he also said that about 600 crores of sales is what he is expecting overall for the year, which is not bad compared to the 438 crores that they did of income that they did last time. That's a big jump that he expects to see.
But it just barely does as well as they did in the first half. First half, they did 350 crores.
Yes.
So they're just about to repeat that much.
That performance in the second half as well. All right, we'll take a short break on that note, but when we come